The state of Kerala is battling the worst flood in 100 years. Today, we have received this tragic news that 324 people have lost their lives. Thomas Isaac, the Finance Minister of Kerala, is joining us. Mr. Isaac, the situation looks absolutely terrible. 324 lives lost. What is the current casualty figure?
Yeah, I think since the monsoon began, that is the number 334. The casualties have been very high in the last 3-4 days when there has been heightened monsoon activity, rains have been heavy, and we have been forced to release the waters from the dams. In fact, all the 24 dams in Kerala waters have been released, and this created very severe flooding in certain pockets, and certain rivers have overflown. And both urban and rural areas have been affected. There have been landslides. So it is a calamity that has affected the entire state.
Mr. Isaac, we are looking at various reports.
Yeah.
Mr. Isaac, we're looking at different reports which say that over 8,000 crore of losses have been incurred by the state of Kerala as a result of these floods, but nothing probably can actually compare to the number of lives lost and the human tragedy and the emotional part of it. But is the state of Kerala really prepared, sir, for the days ahead? Because things are looking really bad. The numbers of those deceased are only going up. Lakhs of people have been displaced. Is your government really prepared?
Estimated 8,000 crores is kind of 11. Now, since the last few days, the doctors are more that my over the envelope show that the loss would be something like 15,000 crores rupees. And of course, that should include the kind of human toll that is taken. And now we are also looking to what will be the post-flood operations, cleaning up the Kerala, restoring the electricity and the drinking water, roads, and so on. In fact, we should expect serious health problems.
But Mr. Isaac, Mr. Isaac, is your government really prepared to handle this crisis? Are you getting enough resources from the centre? How come the tragedy went up by such a magnitude?
Well, this has been one of the moments lately I feel very proud about being a citizen of the state. Recently, that there has been such a spontaneous reaching out from every sections of society to deal with this calamity. It is very inspirational. But, we are having very serious financial problems. In fact, DST has affected our revenue expectations very adversely. And therefore, for example, we are forced in the midst of the year to hike up the excise duty on liquor so that more of some revenue. But I must tell you that the responsible people...
Mr. Isaac?
Yes.
Mr. Isaac, how long do you think, if you had to give the people of your state a roadmap, how many days, how many weeks and months would it take to restore the situation to normal?
Well, it's going to be at least 1 year. You just have to look at the road. And the estimated road district would be something like 5,000 crores in the PWD itself. With these roads, which would be an equal amount. It might take a year before the entire road network is restored to this whole state. Similarly, the electricity connection.
Mr. Isaac, one final question before I let you go. We're running out of time. One final question, sir. Many experts are saying, many environmental experts are saying that we're looking and witnessing floods of this magnitude as a result of faulty environmental policies of governments in Kerala.
Well, partly I would accept that. But the worst flood in Kerala was in 1924, something very comparable, death toll is something thousands. That also did take place. So it can be just put upon in the faulty environmental planning alone. But no, I agree there is a lot to be connected. In fact, the flood shows that the storage capacity of the, say, river basins of Kerala have been very sharply reduced so that heavy rain means immediately flooding. That's a big warning. I think we have to take this very, very seriously.